Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Vicky Kumar and in this video I'm going to show you a high ticket affiliate marketing funnel. I'm going to show you how much other people are making from this funnel and how you can get started, okay? So as you can see guys, this is my computer dashboard and this high ticket affiliate marketing funnel is called multiple income funnel, okay? So basically guys, this is the dashboard of this multiple income funnel, and actually it's an automated system, okay? It's an done for you automated system which has 4 income stream. Income stream number 1, income stream number 2, 3 and 4, okay? So basically when I send traffic to this automated system, okay, my single click, okay, my traffic goes through all these 4 income stream. Income stream number 1, which has up to $20 per month in commission, okay? Then income stream number 2, which has up to $2,000 commission. Income stream number 3, which has $100 to $500 commission, and income stream number 4, which has up to $1,000 plus commission, okay? So when I send traffic from solo ad, Facebook ad or organic traffic from anywhere, when I send clicks to my automated system, I get the chance to make commission from 4 different income stream, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can get started on this, okay? How you can start on multiple income funnel. So for now, let's go to the private Facebook group of this multiple income funnel and let's see how much other people are making from this high ticket affiliate marketing. So basically guys, we are in the private Facebook group of this multiple income funnel, and here as you can see, here we have member from name Cohen. So Cohen, he says, wow, got my first sale and didn't even notice. So as you can see, Cohen made his very first sale online of $20, okay? And this sale I think came from the income stream number 1, which is $20 per month commission. Let's scroll more. So another member John, he got 2 sales today, okay? Let's scroll down more. So as you can see, here we have another member Annie. So Annie made $20 today, okay? Let's scroll down more. Here we have another member with name Jay. So as you can see, Jay, he shared his first post and he made his very first sale of $20. If we keep scrolling, as we can see here, here is another member with name Laurie. So Laurie made $645 today and $25. So Laurie made at least $670 today from this multiple income funnel, guys. So if I keep scrolling, here is another member Levy. I think Levy also got his first sale. Yes, he's saying that got my first sale on MIF, first of many. So as you can see, a lot of new member, they are making their first sale here. If we keep scrolling, here are more testimonial. Here John again. Here is another member Bran, okay? Let's scroll down more. Here we have Angie. She made $150 on traffic authority. So basically guys, this is 4th income stream, okay? And I will explain you about the 4th income stream in a while. Here is another member Fraser McDonald. So Fraser made $16,000 commission, are not to be missed out. So as you can see guys, here is another member Fraser. He made $16,000 today. So that's a huge commission. And if I keep scrolling here, a lot of members are posting testimonial. Here is another member. Here is another member. $11,000 total commission from income stream number 1 to 4. So as you can see guys, as I told you, like here there are 4 different income streams, right? And as you can see, this member made $11,000 from all the 4 income streams. As you can see here, he has posted all the earning screenshot. So basically guys, a lot of members are making their first sale, first $1,000, $10,000, $16,000 from this high ticket affiliate marketing funnel. Okay, so for now I'm gonna show you how you can get started. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to follow these 3 steps. Okay, so the first step is set up your multiple income funnel. So I have put the link of multiple income funnel. I have put the link of this high ticket funnel, okay, in the description box. So when you will click the link in description box, you will land on this page. Okay, so here it has timer of 4 minutes. So you have to wait for the 4 minutes. Once 4 minutes completes, here will pop up the button and you will create your account on multiple income funnel. Okay, so once you have set up your multiple income funnel, you're gonna land here. So this is the dashboard of the multiple income funnel, and after that what you need to do, you need to complete the step 2, okay, which is set up different income stream. So you need to click here, set up income stream. So as you can see guys, here are the different income stream, right? Here is the income stream number 1, income stream number 2, which is Easy1up, income stream number 3, and income stream number 4. So you have to complete the step 2, which is set up different income stream. Once you have completed this step, you need to complete your step 3, which is upgrade your Easy1up account. So guys, when I go to the income stream number 2, if you see here, this is the Easy1up, which is the income stream number 2, okay? And if I show you the income stream number 2, Easy1up here, right now I'm on the number 3, okay? I'm on Vertex live leaderboard. So this is a worldwide leaderboard, and right now I'm on number 3 in last 30 days, number 3 on last 3 months, okay? And basically guys, Easy1up is a digital education platform, and they don't like to show off the earning, so I'm gonna just blur this earning here. Anyway, what you need to do, you need to click here, okay? And once you will click here, you will land on this page, okay? So you will land on this page and you have to create your account on the Easy1up. So once you have created the account on Easy1up, you will land on this page. So as you can see guys, here there are different levels, right? Elevation, which is $25 and $5 admin fee. Second is $100 level, then $250 level. So here you can see all these different levels, okay? So what you need to do here, you need to upgrade your Easy1up account, okay? And basically guys, I give 500 bonus click and $1,000 bonus click to my team members who join Easy1up, okay? So to get these 2 bonus, what you need to do, after you have created your Easy1up account, what you need to do, you need to upgrade your account to Vertex Pro, okay? So if you upgrade your account to Vertex Pro, I'm gonna give you 500 bonus clicks, okay? I'm gonna buy traffic for your affiliate link, okay? So if you upgrade to Vertex Pro 1K level, I'm gonna give you 500 clicks, and if you upgrade to the $2,000 level, I'm gonna give you 1,000 clicks, okay? 1,000 clicks to your affiliate links. So what you need to do, you need to upgrade your Easy1up account, okay, to Vertex Pro or Vertex Live. After you have upgraded your account, you need to go to Easy1up and you need to copy your username from here, and you need to enter your username here. It will say click here to save. Since I have already completed this step, so it says completed, but you will see the option to put your username from Easy1up, okay, and you will put here and you will enter save, okay? Once you have saved, what you need to do, you need to send me your affiliate link so that I can order clicks for you. So what you need to do, you need to go here, links, okay, and as you can see here it says lead capture page 1. So if you click here, I will see this page, okay, and I'm gonna click here. So it says enter the first name, best email, watch the video. So you need to send me this affiliate link from here, okay, under the link tab. So you will copy this affiliate link and you will send me on the Facebook, okay, you will message me your affiliate link on the Facebook so that I can order 500 clicks and 1000 clicks, okay. So this is my Facebook page. Here you can message me saying that you have upgraded to $1000 label or $2000 label, and remember that to get this bonus click you have to upgrade your account to Vertex Pro or Vertex Live, okay. So yeah guys, these are the all steps to set up this automated system. Step number 1 is set up your multiple income funnel from the description box. Then set up your different income stream by going to your multiple income funnel dashboard here, okay. Once you have set up your different income stream, you will upgrade your Easy1up account, which is the income stream number 2 here, to the Vertex Pro or Vertex Live. And after you have upgraded your Easy1up account, you just gonna send me your affiliate link, okay, from the multiple income funnel. So go ahead, complete these 3 steps, okay, and then send me your affiliate link and I will order bonus clicks for you so that you can get a head start on this system, so that you can get commissions like people who are already working on this system, okay. And if you have any question, ask them below this video, or you can also message me on Facebook, and go ahead, complete those 3 steps and see you inside.